and welcome to our Take the Mic outdoor karaoke session. Those who will be performing here in front will be receiving 10% discount from the pyramid. So if you guys want to join, registration is still open.
That's fine.
Look right here and search for the song that you want to sing, and you surely will enjoy the crowd because I expect everyone will sing along with you.